In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money from Cash App to PayPal. So in order to do so, you have two methods. The first method is to use a linked bank account. You can go and open your Cash App example, go to balance, click on cash out and enter the amount and choose the linked bank account. And make sure the bank account that's linked to your cash out is linked to PayPal. And then you can simply send money from the bank to your PayPal, and that's the method one. The method two is to add the bank account or to use Cash App card as funding source on PayPal, if eligible. So if you have a digit or a Visa debit card from Cash App, you can go, for example, to your PayPal and go and click on wallet. From here, you will have to click on link a card. And once you click on link a card, of course, you would like to enter your Cash App information. Click on link card, then you'll be able to send the money from that card to the Cash App. And what you can do is you can send money directly from Cash App to PayPal, like just using a username or email. And of course, PayPal and Cash App are separated service. There is no direct integration between them. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.